Lacey, and in celebration of our 1-year anniversary at our Yelm location, we are holding a weekly giveaway in June 2023.
My name is Alan. I'm the manager of the Yelm store. Today we're going to have a drawing and draw somebody's name who's going to win a prize.
Let's see who our first winner, well, our second week winner is. Don't look.
Hold on, I think I might have grabbed more than one.
Nope, you got one.
Beverly.
Congratulations, Beverly! You've won $50 to visit the 507 Taproom and the Grill at 507. If you would like the opportunity to win this week's prize, we are giving away $50 to visit Puerto Vallarta at their Yelm location.
Stop by our shop to fill out a customer survey and get it turned in by Friday the 23rd.
We're closing early this Friday at 4 o'clock in Yelm so that we can have our quarterly team meeting. Have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.